issue with the TKL conference we still have 4 more days to go. Four days we issue program track Singapore exciting games and sports life Jana chili itumna singdun now shokla kina yang bang shop kushok laga cooperative sala kina kala lum now la kina kupsang lak se da hangai ko like Shia singdun katam now long with delegates being issue respected judges being kala special guest kala jili lang may da issue tainem we ram now being issue 33rd ZTKL General Conference 2025 lirazang kahaya na tumsay ko really may tuida. I would like to extend a warm welcome to each one of you to our second night event. Aju we make sure he have a special salak kahaya zi make sure ne yang ang yamring pagle zingdo na bing ring pa yang ka aju ya ring pa me re kibang le ji ka issue we have so many exciting programs. Poetry competition now kanui thought na poetry creative sala ka na kapi shok la ka hilira pajteriang jile itum na tam khui khwa la tra khale sare kala we also have students parliament hili parliament sitting we practically itum na take yang atum na hili on the topic of FMR, scraping of free movement regime in context to Naga inhabited areas. Jiwi maram ni atun ilim thalak na ramutui seriang issue talented salak kala intelligent speakers being ramutui rage na itum na mathalak na nga nakhui laga tamkhui se kala inspire sa khui laga atum thada next level itum la kang ning phai sa siang. Okay. Jilin lang mai da we also have two special entertainers today. Karesa the issue nganui lak kahaya talented salak kahaya kala yaron kamata yar shwa khara le ko kipam ra. Any guesses? Kipam ra. Yes. Issue yar show Mr. Song Yai Chahong Nao yang ava paulak kahaya arva tangkul gatong kali alima gatay mazang samriyang ava Singtun Scott Talent we first runners up ni yang jena issuing a zin kazipili and a rangaru midlay. Jena, we are so excited to have you and we're looking forward to your performance. Kala jili lang we also have another special entertainer today. It's none other than our beautiful, talented, our nightingale, Ishi Lashio, Nimyo Pimohung yang Lasa Tailage, Lalam Talage, Yara now being Jim Talaga and Yonkulo. Jenna, we have all these exciting items planned for today. Jenna Ray may tweet itum na hima sa tarang laga issue opening prayer wivang opening prayer wivang lungnim zimik Secor Baptist Church Secretary na stage lika lago opening prayer jisamira kala juitili welcome and presentation ni issue yarsho kapungchui SW Education Secretary of ZTKL na atam kwimira himaron ronda tatak faisase.
Siyasasay yarui, siyasasay. Kasing ramli kalaya frifra, tangkul ngalay na pasok miwi lungli, singtun lui ramdala frifra na mingpo miye. Nui sok miwi lungli, frifra na singtun ngalay li, karatot kanui tot no thakahay hor kahay malay manay. Aja tamhili frifra singtun ngalay li layda kalaya kung tay day salala frifra kanui tot katam nauping itum akhanay da frifra na sok miwi lungli tumrana kakatuma kakasunga conference taynem ngalay li mayon dalay frifra kachichara mui sakatay wakatay Katem thang kamay kachung ka rang rok laka kakasunga mi rinji hitatok tweet lay ko kachi kua kaina kua ka tamkui shikui ngarok ta vrivra khangryawi ngahan lila manglawi rei ka sangwi ngahan lila vrifra lumlaulak aina mayon dalay nawi so kmiji delegates kachivna kalaram hina sambanglak talay ko kachihan sit kasang lay chawe knaway na tangda nawi so kmiji jingdunwi aina makwitwi hayla matay may da hor kamay matay may da chui kamay ji lay ngasak milaw vrifra aroy ngaya nawi mingli khnui thot pingna poetry kala parliament sharuk ngate de da khwing room kita clay participants katong ngalila nana somi da vrifra athumna manga hili perform ka sa aina yang da clay ngasanra da clay mi ka chivna tam khui shi khui ka pai kala yaru rin li re sang ka paya khaksot ngasada kanala kahayang ngaya kachip sang sak milada podalay hiwiwang masun makui yang mi kita kleinui rau pinglila vrifra kathema jili kathema nei sa kathaya jili sa kathaya nei da phaning khui da proho athumui richard wa kusok tharan participants kachiv na ring phaning yang khung jila sambang rano ara arui ngayawe program arui hawk pogen thui laga kagupai na tangda nawing room kamiwi lungli ringkapa aina chingri kahaiwi lungli kupsang sakmilo da idum sai korali ngatang kamia chisui mingli siak sanai amen.
Good evening, Jingdun. 33rd Jetikel General Conference. As a career leader night, Lirazan Kai, unit scholar where we shall psychorally Jetikel organizing committee showing winner in Kapa Salam Jepundale. As a we literary midnight hiva, Ijam Kai Maningla, Ka Imaram. Kadam now, Kadonka, Koka Sada, knowledge and understanding, Aka Pirakavai, Salaksa, Gajihi, Yari Psychorly, Hangaine, program Hili, Kala program he, Unsung Sagida, officials being, long now Hili Sida, Kadonga Lagina, Kasaga Adam, Kushok with the Rang Room Kai, into Psychorly. Long now hina ning shida kala atam gajida musot mira gajihi shi jetigel wi salam duine ara ina jagmai gajidai adam hi hina da kuigangai dalai kala adam na lamak le attitude itum kala ishi jetigel wi legishi banglan hila hida da mathang rakhui mandrano kala hi wi banglan sami khawai hi ina ishi wi khiyashi gabaya jetigel President RM Remungli Jam Luchidale. Karesada Azui special guest Omri Ningshan Vice President Tangkul Gadamnao Saglong Tiges Ana Hivaki Ralaka Lekishi Banglan hi Rakui Mirano. Ishiwi President Digeswe Kiashi Kia Ramrejan Gashing Masaga Pai Kale Wangina NSF emergency meeting leo kita merang room merture thalala we colleagues kuchung rang room dale ring pai ning sie kala omri ning shenli rang room mi dakle colleagues pingli la ina hita ta jak mai gachde ina aming pasok mi na thumi leidak le bam we ning ga mi reno lumi awungshi education secretary Duyo Haure Accountant War Jihan Saiza Publicity and Information Secretary Ungrengam Gashung Cultural Secretary Kering Pai Ningsie Arila War Sem Yangya Vice President Rupai Gatam Naulong anala mangasong ka la ka isi jetikel na lagi si panglan hi ra khu mirana kala amang maning la ali yura da kala isi jetikel le gotong ngala kaina razang khai colleagues leida lei athumni la hira da jakmai ki se sangai da lei athum wi khlai bam je na nganinga mirana Senior Hushuo Education Secretary Mishan Zingkai Forest and Environment Secretary okay. Arila Khyai Singh Maza President Sansa Anala Hivakira Laka Ishiwilek Shipanglan hi rang ran kumirano Aling Yura the Clay Jinau Sang Zimik General Secretary Anala Wiklebam Jen and Ganinga Mirano Shimrisa Zinkai Gergerer Secretary Jingrinau Zahunau Executive Arila Itumli Katongai Lagina Otsa Grumda issue with former Arger President Somi Bambuchum Anala Legacy Panglan hi Rakumirano Mangasung Choklaga Somi Bambuchum former Arger President Okay, anaita da zatman lelaga issue with Azal leader night li Mabung Pang Sagiji, Atumazanga, Hanang Shaili, Majimak and Tata, Adaugi, Masagabai. Carissa the poetry Vagina, poet with Vagina, judges Pingli, that the Mike Stakel presentation that we can say. Mark Jipang, Anna Hivagralaka, Exipanglan Rakumirano, Sir Mark Jipang he, Ari Textbook Committee Tangpu Literature Society. Okay, ana kuiman le laga gkhniali Thanjibem Chakhoi Sir Thanjibem Chakhoi he former ADCNA kala former ZTKL president 1997 to 2001 li president saksane kala platinum jubilee planning committee member la sasaye history committee la sabbamai Gagchumali Sokai Ki Kunitot Bingli Lungsang Lak Ina Ordam Rinli Gadam now Bingli should meet the Claya educators Akane Sir Sokai Ki Nali Vagra like a Banglan Hirakumirana Ari Gutumjina issue with poetry with Jatsne Arila Student Parliament Chongwena Hirada Adam Kungai Lusitale Karesada Student Parliament Hili Speaker Sami Giji Sir Reshang Pungshok Ana Hivaki Shok Laga Lekshi Banglan hi rang ran kumirano Sir Reshang Pungshok hi Arui certified career counselor and co-founder Urutrus Kunito Traga Sem Dakle Kala Arila Sem Shiki Sem Shokai educators Akane Hina Azawi Ishiwi Student Parliament with Speaker Ne Arila issue with student parliament hile jatsam gi jikhani leidalai Kresada Yumi Vashum Anala Hivaki Shok Laga issue with Leki Banglan Shok Mirano Yumi Vashum Ari lecturer Centennial College Lisadale Kala Ahi former DKSW General Secretary Anala Shok Man Lelaka Banglan Ranman Lelaka Gakhaniali W.S. Tansing Anala issue with Legacy Banglan hi Shongran Kumirano former president DKLI Tangku Gadam Now Long Impal 2021 to 2023 and President Sasaye Okay, ni share khana wasada wa chi that ka ba ya azang ya hili itumli rimphang sagi ji lumlaung sagi ji special appearance khani le de le ye kresada ls nimyopi mohung anala mangasong ra la ka lekshi panglan hi rang ran ku mirano okay ni shere ka khani ali song ai cha hong now Zingdun Got Talent 2024 first runners up an la hiwa khira laka lakshi banglan hi ra khu mirano yari song yai lina thum ka ta thai do thai ser le ajagum nagamanu ithum changkhul li mathala ge na paira jat khaya naw shnau khani thot akhanei ringphai ning sie adam gajida reksang sa jingrano Ketong ali kalau ratang kai ketong bagi tu kena wasada bang lagi na aksi ke biasa jo psycho really ring apa literary night nasarana ni share
Ning shilakai re arwa atam hi ishiwi hostly presentation umang midle.
Atam ngila kai sa salala host na presentation vivang than mi bingle atam gabo than kami wang host we on behalf of ning si midle aju tainem kholi rajang da dangkru apex body diges we kathan rajang da khlei tainem regime now go on behalf of the welcome sadale ki gamaning salala tainem now na gala tainem kitam naw long na ninga si gala ring pha achak sa da pangla naw ngrang ngai de jaina mathang kami lunu khresa da vice president tangkur kitam naw saklong omri ningsen gala ga khni li khayai sing maza president sansa sa gormang Kagathumali Warisem Yangya Vice President Argayer